So now there are multiple measures by which you can avoid waterlogging or submergence of watersheds. Some measures are long term, some measures are short term. But which measures to take immediately is a big issue, because governments doesn't have lots of fund that they can imbibe or they can implement all the available remedial measures. That is not possible. They always want to implement that remedial measure which is minimum in cost and maximum in efficacy. By efficacy means by implementing that simple method, simple remedial measure, they can solve most of the flood induced vulnerabilities. For example, if by increasing the height of embankments of the rivers followed by desiltation of river bed, you can expect that flood water or excess water that is flowing through the river basin, river canal, will not overflow because of the additional space they have got due to this desiltation. And also, if they try to overflow, that increase in the embankments will prevent that water to overflow, because increase in the height of the embankments will also increase the carrying space.